Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing really well. In this video I will be sharing two key trouser shapes that I think are absolutely perfect to create easy outfits for the spring. They're really versatile, they look lovely, and you may even have them already in your wardrobe. And they're not just for spring, of course. I'm going to be showing how to style these two trouser shapes, what works and what doesn't work so well. So I'm going to jump straight in with my first type of trouser shape, which is straight ankle grazer trousers. This trouser shape is the ultimate investment trouser shape for year round, really. They are fairly tailored, but they're not so smart that you couldn't wear them really easily in a much more relaxed way as well. They're characterised by being slightly cropped at the ankle, so that the bottom hem of the trouser sits on or immediately above the ankle bone. And they're not too wide at the ankle either. They're not tight, they're relaxed, but they're definitely not wide leg. So let me show you what I mean and how to style them in my first look, which is showcasing these ankle grazer straight trousers. Now these are a gorgeous pair of taupe slim leg ankle grazer trousers, which I got from Marks and Spencer's actually, but you can get them in lots of places, similar trouser shapes to this, and I will put some links to other options for you below this video as well. Now in terms of the shape, as you can see, they're relaxed, but they're not wide. The hem sits just a fraction above my ankle bone, and this is the perfect length because it's good to see some exposed ankle with this style of trouser. Now these trousers come in 3 lengths actually, which is just brilliant. It comes in short, regular or long, so you can always find the right length of trouser to hit the area that you need to hit on that ankle bone or just above it. Now I'm wearing the short ones here and I'm 5'4", so that's a reference. Now showing the ankle is not only flattering, but it looks fresh and spring-like, and it's really comfortable too, and there's no risk of dragging in the dirt either. So the lightish neutral shade of taupe makes them feel spring-like too, I think. I really love this shape, it's just easy to wear. Now you can see that I've put on a pair of loafers, which I feel complements the shape of the trousers really well, and again they're so comfortable. Loafers also bring a freshness of the new season too. You could of course swap out the loafers for a pair of ballet flats. That would go really well as well. Now what I wouldn't choose to wear with them though are really chunky boots. I love chunky boots, but I think they're just too heavy with this trouser shape. Also you need to show off a touch of ankle for this shape to be really flattering, and of course big boots wouldn't allow you to do that. Now I'm wearing my favourite oversized cashmere sweater with this, really to show you how this trouser shape can look very well balanced with a larger shaped top. That's essentially because the trousers aren't too tight, so the whole look remains balanced. Now, of course, this is a more wintry top, but I just wanted to show you that this shape works. You can have a relaxed, oversized top. And I could see it looking lovely with a cotton sweater as well for spring and moving into summer. Now, the important thing is to make sure that at least some of the sweater is tucked into the trousers to give some waist definition. Now, as you can see here, I've tucked in the front and the back. It's not a whole tuck. I've left the sides out to give a relaxed look and feel. It's also helpful to do this kind of half tuck if you're not too happy with tucking in completely. And I just think it makes it look a little bit more slouchy, a little bit more relaxed. So although the trousers are fairly tailored and structured, you can still wear them for a very relaxed look. I wanted to show you that. So for my second way of styling them up, I've got a look here that I do feel really comfortable in. So look 2. So showing how versatile this trouser shape can be, I've swapped out the sweater, and this time I'm teaming the trousers here with a beautiful classic crisp white shirt. It's an easy, elegant look that could take you to so many places. It's the one I'm wearing here actually as well. Very comfortable. Crisp, so the collar stands up. I love wearing it like that. It could be more dressed up with the addition of more accessories and jewellery, and as you can see here, I'm wearing gold earrings and a delicate necklace, these ones. But you can wear gold obviously, but I also think that this sort of an outfit would look fabulous with a bolder necklace too. And of course you can wear silver too, it's entirely up to you. So this shirt is particularly flattering, I think. As I said, it's crisp, it's 100% cotton, and it's a relaxed fit, so you could take it to lots of different looks, wear it in so many different ways. Now I've also popped on a faux snakeskin belt to give interest and to add that definition, but of course you can also adapt this to your own wardrobe and your own colourway preferences too. I do think though that a neutral trouser colour with a crisp white shirt is such a classy look and so easy to put together as well. Now these trousers actually come in other neutral colours too. Obviously the taupe ones that I'm wearing there, they come in black, they come in charcoal, and also they come in the colour that I'm going to be featuring in my next look. So look 3. Now I just love these trousers in the navy colourway. I really think these navy ankle grazer trousers are another wardrobe staple that in my opinion can also be a great investment. They're the sort of thing that will take you through from now through to the spring, through to the summer, and you know it's such a chic look to mix navy and white in the summer too. The way I've styled these trousers here is in a very relaxed way with sneakers, just to show you another look really. Again, one reason why the sneakers work in terms of balance for this outfit is that they're low cut ones, and that means that they're exposing that all important ankle skin, which lifts and balances the look of the leg and is very flattering. There's something feminine about showing ankle, isn't there? So I've just teamed the navy trousers with my classic navy and white Bowden Breton top, which I wear to death, to be honest. I've really got to go and get another one because I wear it so often. It's such an easy grab outfit, you know, go-to outfit for every day, I think. Now, one thing to mention actually is that these trousers can also look great with different heels, such as a kitten heel, especially as you go into spring and summer, or a slingback. I think they look really elegant with a slingback and a pointed toe. As well as strappy sandals and a classic t-shirt as you go further on into the summer. They're really, really versatile. So now let's move on to the second trouser shape, which I think is just perfect. Oh, and just before I move on to the second trouser shape, I do love to see your likes if you like the video and comments underneath the video. And of course, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please do so because it really helps to keep the channel going. So the second type of trousers are oversized, relaxed trousers. Now, I don't know about you, but as a slightly shorter lady, I'm 5'4", I've always tended to steer away from wide legs, slouchy, more oversized trousers because I thought they would make me look even shorter and wider, but actually if you style them right, I love them now, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So for my first look in this type of trouser here, I'm showcasing my totally gorgeous Abercrombie & Fitch wide leg trousers. They're high quality, they're tailored, a little bit oversized, very relaxed, and they're called the Sloane tailored pant. They are incredibly versatile, incredibly comfortable, and they have the most amazing flow to them. They've got just the right amount of heaviness in the material just to flow beautifully. Now they also come in 3 different lengths as well, short, regular and long. So again, you know, you've got that option. These ones are short, obviously. They come in this light taupe colour, and they also come in a light brown, a navy, a black, a pale blue and a medium-sized blue, medium shade of blue, and pink. And of course you may already have a similar shape in your wardrobe already. Now, one of the things I really like about this shape of trouser is that they automatically look modern and contemporary without looking like you've really tried too hard either. I think they're totally suitable for a relaxed look as well as more dressed up. So they are totally versatile, like the other trouser shape as well, of course. Now in this look, I've paired a contrasting black fitted turtleneck sweater with them, but of course you could always go for a t-shirt or a cotton sweater or a sweatshirt or something v-necked, as long as it's fairly fitted for this particular effect. It's all about balance to look good. So the top is fitted, the trousers are more slouchy, and then the boots that I've chosen here have a pointed toe, my black sock boots. These are some of my favourites. I think they're very flattering and elongating for the leg. In my recent video, actually, I called 10 ways to look expensive every day. I talked about shoe shapes that look good. So you may like to have a little look at that after you've seen this video. I will link it, I'll put it up here, and also I'll link it in the video description below for you. Now the pointed toe, the more delicate boot, and the shape is so flattering with a wide leg because it brings in the eye, so it's actually much less widening when you get to the bottom. It balances the fitted top very well. So basically you've got a fitted top, slouchy trousers and more fitted delicate boots. It's a beautiful balance. Now for an additional touch of style and also to bring the two contrasting colours together, I've added my fabulous Giorgio Armani scarf, which is actually quite sentimental to me because I used to live in Rome. I don't know if I've told you that before, many years ago, 25 years ago. I used to live in Rome in Italy and my mother visited me there, and this was a scarf that she bought for me because they have the most wonderful designer shops there. And as I often say, it's lovely to wear the little touch of something meaningful, isn't it? And this looks so beautiful with the classic colours of the light beige and the black, and it just brings them together, gives it a longer line as well. So what I want to do now is to show you how to style up these trousers without having to wear fitted pieces if you want to wear something more relaxed. So this is my next look here, wearing the same trousers but in a different way. You can see here that I've swapped out the fitted turtleneck for my oversized sweater and the pointed toe boots for sneakers. It's a really comfortable outfit, a really lovely running around outfit. The shape of the trousers still ensures that it looks stylish and modern, as I said before, but I think this outfit works. And the reason why it works is because the sweater is half tucked in, giving waist definition. Like the first trousers that I styled up, you just need a little bit of half tuck. Now, what tucking it halfway in does is it creates an almost hourglass effect. And after all, you know, if you're an hourglass lady, we're all very, very jealous because you must look stunning. But that's what we're trying to get the effect of here, because you've got a larger bit on the top with the more oversized loose slouchy jumper. You go in at the waist with the definition and then out again with the slouchy trousers. So you've got that beautiful hourglass shape. This style could be used if you're slim or less slim as well. I think it'll be successful for a lot of shapes. It creates a waist illusion and a balanced silhouette. And of course they're topped off, or bottomed off in this case, with the sneakers because they fit with the whole look, which is a less fitted look as well, but they aren't too chunky. So let's look now at the difference when I wear the sweater loose. So here, I haven't tucked it in at all, as you can see, and basically you can see it turns me into a block. It turns me into a big rectangle, and this is where a lot of people go wrong. But you know, it's easily resolved just by a little bit of tuck. So for my final look, I wanted to bring back my lovely cream chunky boots, which honestly, you may have seen them in another video, but I just love them so much. I wear them as many occasions as I can, but I want to show them here. Little bit of a controversial outfit, this one, for my final outfit. So I'd really like your views on this look. It's a little different for me, a little experimental for me, although you may already be wearing your slouchy trousers tucked into boots like this as well. But I feel, what I do feel is good is I feel this look showcases these beautiful boots really well, and it looks very on trend. It's also very practical as the wider leg doesn't get in the way of anything, doesn't have any danger about touching the ground or getting dirty. However, for me, the jury is out with the puffing out of the lower trouser leg shape. It's balanced, but I think possibly it might work if the trousers were not quite so wide leg, if there wasn't quite as much volume, but you may love it and I'd love to hear what you've got to say. So please drop a comment in the comments section under the video. In fact, I always like to hear all of your comments, and it's great to have such a wonderful community there. So all the links to the items that I've worn are in the video description underneath this video if you'd like to pop down and have a little look. And I hope you really enjoyed this video. As I said before, if you have, please give it a thumbs up, because that gives me a really good idea on which videos you like, and I can make more of them for you. So I hope you have a really wonderful day, and keep going, ladies, being fabulous and being over 50 or any age, and I will see you really, really soon. Lots of love. Bye.